Jim Starwald here with another one of our amazing agents, Jason Guardado.
Correct.
And we're going to ask him a couple of questions about what he likes here. So, Jason, this is your first. You're just about completing your first year in real estate, correct?
Correct.
Very good. So what do you enjoy about the vibe here at the office?
So the vibe is very chill. I like the vibe, and we like to have fun sometimes. So.
We do have fun. But we keep it professional when we need to be. But you got to relax. It's a stressful job. We're taking care of a lot of important details very important details for clients.
Absolutely.
What do you think sets us apart from other teams? You haven't been on any of the other teams, but you've certainly dealt with them. So what do you think sets us apart?
I think what sets us apart is that we don't just look at our clients as transactions. We build relationships. We make sure that they're satisfied with what they're purchasing or selling.
I love that because we put our clients' needs above our own for sure. So Jason, how do our team's values align with yours?
Well, more than anything, I love feeling like I'm at home. I love feeling like this is a family, just like I enjoy being at home, So I appreciate that we all help each other, we motivate each other, and we're there for each other.
I love that because we do strive for that in our office. So Jason, I know you're just coming off, like I said earlier, you're finishing your first year. You had some pretty amazing week and you're really starting to get things going. So let me ask you, how do you like all the training and such in our office? Do you think you've been given the tools necessary?
Oh, I think we have all the resources. We do have, by so far, the best training in here.
And best training around. I love that. So something fantastic happened to you this week. What'd you do?
I got 3 homes under contract.
You helped 3 buyers secure contracts in 1 week.
1 week.
Jason Guardado, definitely a rising star in real estate. So you can trust him with your needs. You want to buy or sell, give him a call today.